All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can now connect Meta ads to Claude and have Claude run through our ad account, tell us what campaigns are doing well, what to cut off, give us performance metrics, all this different stuff. If you're a business owner looking to use ads to grow your business, get more leads, get more sales, this is a very, very important video, not just because of what I'm about to show you, but because of what this means for the future. These AI tools are opening up so much opportunity for small business owners, solopreneurs, just like you may be watching, to be able to run your own ads and get amazing results without an agency. So I'm gonna share my screen right now and show you how to integrate Meta ads with Claude. I'm gonna break it all down for you so you can do it. By the end of this video, you will have everything set up and you'll be rocking and rolling. So let me go ahead and share my screen. So this is the actual article that shows, Facebook ads has now created what we call an MCP. An MCP, without getting all super technical, it's just a way for softwares to connect to AI tools that normally don't connect together. It allows the software to connect with the LLM and cross-reference data, talk to each other, do all types of really cool stuff, and it opens up a whole world of opportunity for you as a business owner to be able to use these AI tools to get more results, grow your business. So I really, really want you to pay attention to this. So if you are new to the channel, my name's Steven. I'm the co-founder of Rich From Anywhere. We basically teach business owners how to scale their business with Meta ads, Facebook, Instagram ads. And we teach you how to do it so you don't need to hire an agency and be reliant on them, paying them $5K every single month and they get you terrible results. We teach you how to avoid that nightmare, okay? And so we've been doing it for over 10 years at this point. We've ran ads for some of the biggest names in the game, like Myron Golden. We've trained in-house teams for huge companies like Crumble Cookie and thousands of other businesses. You can look us up later on. But let's get straight into this. I want to teach you guys how to set this up right now. So what I want you to do is go over to your Claude account, go down to the bottom left-hand corner and go to settings. When you get to settings, you're going to come down to the tab that says connectors. Then you're going to hit the button that says add custom connector. Now you're going to need to go ahead and name this custom connector. We're going to go ahead and name this Meta ads. And then in this second box, you're going to put in this link right here. Okay. When you've put that link in, go ahead and hit add. Then you're going to see it pop up right here on the bottom. So then once you've added this Meta ads custom connector, you're going to hit this button that says configure. And when you hit configure, it's going to prompt you to log into your Facebook account. All right. Now, when you log into your Facebook account, make sure you're logging into the one that you are running ads from. Then it's going to ask you which business manager you want to connect. And so you just connect the business manager that you want to connect and then go ahead and go through that whole process. By the way, if you don't have your business manager and your ad account set up already, then I'll go ahead and link a 7-step blueprint that we've created that will help you set up all that stuff very, very easily. I'll go ahead and link that in the description for you because you have to have that set up before you can take advantage of this. So once you have that connected, then what I want you to do is come back over to Claude and create a new chat, all right? And if you've connected it properly, you should be able to hit this little plus button, go to connectors, and you should see Meta ads right here. That basically means that the MCP has been connected to your Facebook Business Manager. And now we can move to the next step. The next step is to ask Claude which ad accounts has this MCP feature, okay? So at the time of this recording right now, this MCP feature has not rolled out to all ad accounts. So you might have an ad account that has the feature, but some of your ad accounts might not have this feature yet. So what you want to do is go ahead and type in, use the Meta ads MCP to analyze which ad accounts I can integrate with, just to go ahead and prompt it to go ahead and start figuring out which ad accounts you can use. So as you can see, we have 32 ad accounts hooked up to our Facebook Business Manager. And as of right now, there's only 2 ad accounts that actually have this MCP feature enabled. So if you have this MCP feature enabled in your ad account, then you're good to go. And you can go ahead and start interacting with your ad account right now. So at this point, guys, you can ask Claude to do all types of really cool stuff. Just as an example, you can ask it to analyze one of your campaigns and have it tell you the performance, what it's doing well, what needs to be tweaked, like all different types of stuff. So it just so happens that this ad account right now that I'm about to show you is actually a really old ad account. So let me just kind of give you an example. I'm going to show you. I'll go to one of the campaigns that we have. So what you can do is just take the campaign name and then go back over to Claude and say, analyze the performance of this campaign, and then give it the actual campaign name. And then you can even do really cool stuff like create a nice looking graph / chart to show me the results. And let's go ahead and hit enter. Okay, so now as you can see, it's pulled in all the information from that campaign. It's showing me exactly how much we spent, all the different details that are important. It's actually even giving me a graph of all this different stuff. It's giving me sales comparisons to other campaigns. And it even gave me a performance summary on like how it was performing. It gives me a full-blown conversion funnel breakdown. This campaign was giving us $8.72 per lead. And it asks you to go deeper. So guys, there's so many things that you can do with this. Now, here's what I will say. I wouldn't necessarily recommend just telling it to analyze your performance and telling you what to do, because Claude, it's very smart, but it's not trained on all the proven strategies that are working right now, right? So I would definitely recommend that you still have a coach helping you and guiding you along the way. But guys, this is literally just the beginning of what's about to start happening. It's the full integration of, you know, AI and softwares connecting to each other and being able to talk to each other. And now you're gonna have this reality where AI is running all of your marketing, it's analyzing your marketing, it's doing 95% of the work, and now you, the business owner, can now actually run all of your marketing, or you can have one person on your team who's running all the marketing because AI is doing all the heavy lifting. This is what you used to have to pay an agency $5,000 or $10,000 a month to do. It is now doing basically for free, okay? And now you can take that same money that you used to pay an agency and just spend it on ads. Game-changing stuff. But guys, I just wanted to create this really quick video for you to let you guys know what's happening over here in like Facebook ad world. This feature just came out a couple days ago, and this is literally just the beginning. If you guys know anything about Meta is like one of the leaders in AI technology. It's buying up AI companies all the time. So what that means is it's going to continue to keep rolling out better and better features. It's going to be creating stronger ad performance, easier setup. There will be a time in the very, very near future where you will be able to literally speak the ad campaign that you want to create, and it will just be able to create it for you just by talking, right? Like, these are the types of things that are happening. So I want you guys to get very, very excited, because what that means for you is it's going to be easier for you to set up ads. And the ads are going to be so powerful, so targeted, that they're going to get you better results than you could have ever set up by yourself back in the day. And that just means that you're going to be able to grow your business faster, easier, provide a better lifestyle for your family, and all the other things that you want to do, build a better legacy. Like, all the things come from being able to grow your business and make more money. And this is what this tool is going to allow you to do. If you guys are interested in diving deeper with us, you can go to richfromanywhere.com. We have mentorship programs where we actually train people on how to do all this stuff. We have services where we train teams on how to do this, so you can actually fire your agency. Like, there's a ton of different ways that we can help you. Feel free to go to our website, book a call with us. We'll see if we can help. And if you guys are not subscribed already, go ahead and do that now. We are going to be dropping a lot of updates as all these AI tools keep emerging. We will keep you guys updated. We are here for you. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. We'll do our best to answer all the questions that people have. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.